In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Asana task list efficiently and effectively in just 5 minutes. This is incredibly useful if you want a physical copy to keep on your desk or need to share tangible records with team members who prefer working with paper. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the process. First things first, open Asana and head over to the specific project or task list you want to print. Asana is known for its robust organizational tools, enabling you to manage multiple projects with ease. Navigate through your dashboard until you locate the project containing the tasks you're interested in printing. This step is crucial because ensuring you have the right project means you're off to a smooth start. Once you've got the correct project open, take a moment to filter and sort your tasks. Think about what exactly you need on paper. Do you want all tasks listed or just those with upcoming deadlines? You can filter by due date, project section, or assign team members to hone in on exactly what you need. Sorting your tasks is also beneficial if you want them to appear in a particular order, such as prioritizing by due date or task assignee. This allows you to tailor the information to your specific needs, ensuring you don't end up with a printout cluttered with unnecessary details. Next up, it's time to get technical and bring up the print dialog. For this, you'll use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and P simultaneously. If you're using a Mac, it's C, M, D, and P. This step invokes the print function of your browser, giving you a preview of what's about to be committed to paper. Now that you have the print dialog open, you'll want to adjust the print settings to ensure everything fits well on the page. Check if the page orientation best suits your needs, whether landscape or portrait works better for your particular list. You might need to tweak the margins, or even scale the document so that all your tasks are neatly presented. Adjusting these settings helps avoid any tasks being cut off or not fitting correctly on your printed pages. Finally, with everything looking just right on your screen, you have a decision to make: print it out or save it digitally. If you want a physical copy, simply click print, and your printer will take it from there. Alternatively, if you prefer keeping a digital copy, perhaps to email it later or store it for future reference, click on Save as PDF. This option is ideal if you want to keep things environmentally friendly. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to print your Asana task list in just a few quick steps. Whether for collaboration, reflection, or simply preference, having a paper trail can often be a valuable addition to your digital workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Happy organizing!